टेप वाला जो है था
छोटा वाला इसमें नहीं है बोलो।
कहाँ गए ओके नो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हु ब्लड दो राधे जय जय माधव हरिते राधे जय जय माधव राधे जय जय माधव राधे जय जय गोकुल तरुणी मंडल हरिते गोकुल तरुणी राधे जय जय माधव वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये जयतां सुरतोर्पङ्गोर्मम मन्दमतेर्गते मत्सर्वसर्वदां वयो श्रीराधा दिग्बोधवृन्दावनं तर्पद्रमादशिमरत्नाकरसंस्कृतास्मरणमस्तु श्री श्री राधा सुरवृन्ददिग्गो कृष्णार्गो सर्वमानं स्मरामि श्रीमान रासरसार्णवे वंशी वरदस्थित दर्शनवेन शनैर्गोपे गोपीनाथ श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So first of all, I offer my humble respect for his innocence. And to the respect of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya-lila, Pravishnu Vishnupad, Ashputra Sapasisrima, Bhakti Vedanta Sivaman Shri Maharaj, and Nitya-lila, Pravishnu Vishnupad, Ashputra Sivaman Bhakti Vedanta Sivaman Shri Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble respectful Dandavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila, Pravishnu Vishnupad, Ashputra Sapasisrima Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Krishna Vaishnavis. So just I want to speak about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is the supreme personality of Godhead, Son Bhagavan. He is Krishna. In Daparjut, Krishna, he tasted all the mellows, rasas from the heart of what is devotee. Dasya Sabha, Vasalam, Mahaprabhu, everything is. But when he returned back in Uttarakhand, Vrindavan, then one day he was thinking, I released all the rasas from the heart of my Brajavasis. How Dr. Bhaktra, Dasaras, they also served me. Subal Siddhant, they also served to me in their Satkabha, friendship. My parents, Nanda Jashoda, they also served to me with their parental love. Vatsala. Even gopis, they also served to me with the Madhurya bhav. And I performed also topmost lila, that's called Raslila in their, and I realized their all their heart. This is true. But when I think about Srimati Radhika, then I completely beyond it. I cannot control my mind also. Krishna is said in this way, everybody attracted with my all qualities. Amare Gandhi Tribhuvan Mata, Krishna says, in my sweet fragrance, Gandha, three words completely intoxicated. But when I think about Srimati Radhika, just sweet fragrance coming from the cloth of Srimati Radhika, that time I cannot control myself. Then I start to run behind Prabhupada. So what kinds of fragrance, bandha in the cloth of Srimati Radhika? Prabhupada Saraswati Pad in Radha Sudhanati also glorified this way. Jassa kadapi vasanam chal karanatta dhanna tidhanna pavarana kitarthamani Jagendra Durgam Gati Madhusudanopi Tassasvano Vishwahanu Guru Disyopi. Prabhupada Saraswati Pad in his unprecedented book Radha Sudhaniti quoted these words. I pay my obeisances that the direction where Srimati Radhika is standing. Where she is standing, and that direction just I pay my obeisances. Why? Prabhupada Saraswati Bhakti Humble say, though Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead and Bhagavan, Brahma, Shiva, Narada, Indra, all the big power, they paid their obeisances with respect to Krishna. Even sometimes Krishna manifested his lotus feet in the trance of Brahma, and sometimes not. Yadyapi samadhisu vidirupi pasvati matavo nakhatma morichi. In the trance of Brahma, sometimes Krishna manifested his lotus feet, sometimes he did not. But now same Paratma Paratattva Krishna with the supreme personality of God itself, Bhagavan, completely predominant with Srimati Radhika as like a lusty person. He runs behind to the gopis, behind to the Braj gopis. Why? So Krishna is saying this. And now Srimati Radhika, she did man. She left Krishna. Krishna tried to pacify her man. But Srimati Radhika, she did not give up her man anger. And she is very strictly told Krishna, hey Krishna, don't come to me, don't follow to me. You have to fight for me. Then Srimati Radhika, then Krishna is standing outside of Radha Kunda. Srimati Radhika, she is standing another side of the Radha Kunda. In the meantime, the wind by playing in the cloth of Srimati Radhika. They say, Jassa Vasanancha Khiranat. Jasha Vasanancha Khiranata. That means wind, Vayu, Hava. He is playing with the cloth of Srimati Radhika. When wind is blowing, then automatically Srimati Radhika's cloth also fabric. So Krishna is thinking, how Pavan Dev, Lord Devata here, you are playing with the cloth of Srimati Radhika. Then the wind also blowing, bringing the sweet fragrance, the body of Srimati Radhika. When Krishna got this sweet fragrance from the body of Srimati Radhika, then Krishna takes saying this way, Dhannati Dhanna Pavarana Kitarthamani. Here Pavan Dev, you are very fortunate, Shobhagya, because you are playing with the cloth of Srimati Radhika. You are bringing the sweet fragrance, the body of Srimati Radhika. Saying Dhamma, that means thank you, because you are giving me so much pleasure. In this way, Krishna pacified himself from the separation of Srimati Radhika. Krishna feeling they have the sweet fragrance, the body of Srimati Radhika. So Krishna is thinking these things. What kinds of sweet fragrance the body of Srimati Radhika? What is that the things? Then Krishna is thinking that everybody want to listen my sweet voice, especially when I played the flute. Then everybody completely intoxicated. Nisamma Geetam Tadananga Vardhanam Rajastri Ajanu Uttama Alachita. Sukadeva Goswami told when Krishna played the flute. Then all the Braj Gopis completely also bewildered that. And they left their house, gave up all their household duties and running towards him. And when I heard just the sweet words, voice of Srimati Radhika, that time I cannot control myself. May Amar Benibudhi Gopi Krishna said, they sounded not flute, the gopis completely intoxicated. But when I just heard the sweet voice of Srimati Radhika, then I cannot control myself. मैं अमार रूपे जगत माता जे रूपे एक कौन त्रिभुवन माता Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained, just the water sprinkle, sweet beauties of Krishna, then everybody completely are intoxicated. Kastrampadek or Padamrita Venu, Go Drija Druma, Dhiranna Pulokana Vibramam. Shukadeva Goswami also told, this is sweet beauty, Madhur Rupa, Sumadhur Rupa. Then everybody completely intoxicated. When Krishna used to go herding the cows, then all the gopis, they come out from their house and want to see my beautiful form. This is true. Krishna is thinking himself in Aprakat Guru Vrindavan. Yeah, gopis, they completely beautiful for me. But when I see Srimati Radhika's just toenails effulgence, that is Nava Chandrama, the effulgence of the toenails of Srimati Radhika, that time I cannot control myself. So what kinds of the beauty of Srimati Radhika? I cannot imagine. Radhika or Premi Achikata. What kinds of praying in the heart of Srimati Radhika? She controlled me. What kinds of praying? Snehoman, Pranarag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Urura, Udhirura, Umun and Madana. Our Goswami Garuchal morning, Grantha also explained this Madhanaka Mahabhav only in the heart of Srimati Radhika. So now Krishna is thinking, I have to test these types of bhav which remain in the heart of Srimati Radhika. But Srimati Radhika, she is called the Asrayatiya Vigraha. That is called the shelter of the divine Lord. And Krishna, he is thinking, I am the Vishayatiya Vigraha, object of divine love. I am object of divine love. So how can I realize Srimati Radhika's this mood? Then Krishna is thinking, not possible. Give an example. Sugar cannot taste his own sweetness. चीनी अपने मधु मिस्टर तक आस्वादन नहीं कर सकता. Sugar cannot taste his own sweetness. Who tasted the sweetness of the sugar? Who? ants, small ants. चिट्टियाँ चीनी के जो है मिष्टता के जो है वो आस्वादन कर सकते, चीनी अपने नहीं कर सकते. Sugar cannot taste his own sweetness, but small ants, they are tasting the sweetness of the sugar, but it is very, very dangerous. You have seen sometimes ants, they are going to taste the sweetness of the sugar, but when they fell down in that sugar, then they completely were stinging and then they left the body. And they also mix with the sugar. चीनी के चशनी, चशनी समझते हैं? What is chashni? Chashni means if you boil the water and put the sugar and boil it, and then that the liquid sugar comes. As like syrup. Sugar syrup. So sometimes the ants, they are going to taste the sugar syrup, but this is very, very dangerous. They are little bit, they also taste it. Those who are innocent, they are thinking, no, I will take more. Then going in the syrup, then they completely were mixed with sugar and they left the body. They cannot come back. This is true. You have seen sometimes the sugar syrup or gur, liquid gur, then the ants are going and testing. But when they are testing, they are thinking, I will eat more. They also run towards the sugar or gur syrup. Then when they are going, then they fell down and they never come back. And they mixed with the sugar. Then people are also eating. Chinese people, they are very happy. Chinese, they like also. Sugar with ants mixed and tested and the ice cream. Like ice cream, you can eat sugar and ants. Very nice, sweet. In the same way, Krishna is thinking, how can I taste Srimati Radhika's Mahabharata? Krishna is very clever. Krishna is not the ant. Krishna is cheating on him. Because ants, they are innocent. So I am saying, because Krishna is thinking, I am Vishwa Vigraha. I am the object of the divine love. Prem ki Vishwa Vigraha. Srimati Radhika, she is the Ashray Vigraha. She is the shelter of the divine love. But how can I taste this highest mood of Srimati Radhika, Madana Mahabharata? Without coming in the stage of Ashray Vigraha, you cannot realize these things. Then Krishna is thinking what will do now? Because Krishna's greed is coming more and more. You are sick? Have you seen the sugar syrup? There may be your greed coming. You have to live. I have to taste. But this is very dangerous. Not so easy to go there. Not easy to take. Give an example, another example. Honey inside the butter. Honey inside the butter. But that butter also closed with the lid cork. But honeybee is thinking, I will drink, I will take the honey from the bottle. Possible? How can take the honey? Someone had to open the lid of bottle. In the same way, Krishna is thinking, in the heart of Srimati Radhika, this highest mood, highest brain, but how will get it? This is not so easy. Eh? Then Krishna is thinking. Eh? Because when greed comes in, this nature, how to take it? Eh? Give an example like that, then you understand. Once in summertime, one crow, he was very thirsty. He could not find out the water. Then finally he saw some water in the bottom of the bottle. जार के नीचे थोड़ा पानी पड़ा हुआ है. But he was very thirsty. He had to drink the water from the bottle or jar. But he could not reach his drink in the bottom of the jar. But he is very thirsty. He is thinking, how can I drink the water? Without drink the water, I cannot survive my life. I have to drink the water. You are very thirsty, but do want water. But if you see that the water is in the bottom of the jar, how to take? Guess it. Then the crow is very clever. Okay, I have to take. Then crow just he collect one and the some stones, a small stone, and put in the jar. Then if you put the stone in the jar, then water automatically coming up. Water automatically coming up. Then you can drink. In the same way that crow, he collect the stone and drop in the jar. Then water coming. Then you drink the water. In the same way Krishna is thinking, what will do now? How can I taste the Srimati Radhika, this highest mood, bhav? Krishna is thinking, okay, I have one good qualifications. What the good qualification, Krishna? Krishna is thinking, I am thief. I am very prominent person in Braj. That is called thief. Braje prasiddham navanita choram gopanganam chadukula choram अनेक जन्म जित पाप चौरम चौरम अग्रगण्यम पुरुषम नमामि. In this verse, Krishna is very famous in Braj. That is called what called? Makhan chor, butter thief. But Krishna is not butter thief. Butter makhan, that is a Sanskrit word. Makhan. Ma means not. Khan means lust. There is no lust. That means that is only divine love. Understand? Makhan means divine love. Ma means what it is? Not. N-O-T. Understand? And khan means lust. Where there is no lust, that is called prem. Two things. Where is lust, there is no prem. Love. Or where is love, there is no lust. Because love and lust cannot stay in together. So according to the logic, Makhan means divine love. So Krishna is thinking, I am very famous. Makhan Chor. That means I steal the love, prema from the heart of the gopis. This is my qualification. Why not I apply these qualifications? If you have good qualification, you have to apply to serve Guru and Vaishnava. What is your qualification? If you have any good qualification, you have to apply. Serve Guru Vaishnava. What is your qualification?
Yes.
Your qualification to translate books. English to Portuguese. So you have to translate book. This qualification. Understand? So in the same way, Krishna is thinking, my good qualification. What is my good qualification? Makhan Chor. That means I steal the love, divine love from the heart of the Lord. Now Krishna thinking, I have to steal. Eto chinti Krishna korila vichar. In this way, Krishna, he thinks and how to steal the praying which remains in the heart of Srimati Radhika. There is Radha Bhav Kamti Churi Kari Krishna Avatirna Vailo Gaura Rupa Hari Chaitanya Chaitanya. Radha Bhav Kamti Churi Kari Krishna Vailo Gaura Rupa Hari. That means Krishna, he stole Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. Because greed coming, that time you have to get by two purpose. Jeno teno prakarena. When greed will come, then you have to take. Greed is very important in our Radhan Bhakti. Greed for Krishna Katha, Love Krishna Katha, Kam Krishnarpana. All your vasana desire over to Krishna Seva, Kam Krishnarpana. Love, what is the love? Love means greed for Hari Katha. Kam, Krodh. Krodh, anger for those who are against of Guru Vaishnava. You have to angry with them. You have anger or not? You have no anger. Angry for those who are against of Guru and Vaishnava. Or against of Shastra. You have to angry. Kam, Krodh, Love, Love Hari Katha. Kam, Krodh, Love. Moha, Moha means attachment with pure devotee of Lord. Kam, Krodh, Love, Moha. Moha means intoxication. Intoxication with Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. When you chant holy names, close your eyes and chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. But be careful. And you chanting Hari Bol, Hari Bol, then your pocket completely empty. Don't do this. You have to intoxicate with Harinam, but all your valuable things, you have to keep properly. So, Lobh, Moh, Moth, Then matsarya means enviousness. But the service of enviousness. No service. Kicked out from your mind. Never envy, jealousy to others. Understand? Huh? Never envy to others. Never jealousy, never criticize to others. And chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So in this way, breathe. In the same way, Krishna's breath is coming as position. Krishna is saying, his breath starts from Nrsimha Avatar to Vishnu Avatar, then Ram Avatar, then going to Dwarkadhish Krishna Avatar, then Dwarkadhish Krishna, then Mathuradhish Krishna, then coming Vrindavan Krishna. Great. First Krishna, he manifested in the form of Nrsimha Avatar. Then Krishna is thinking, I am my Nrsimha Avatar. This is beautiful, but they half lion and half human being. But when Nrsimha Devi noticed the Vishnu form, human being form, Vishnu form, not human form, Chaturbhuj, then Nrsimha Devi, oh, this avatar is very sweet, more than my Nrsimha incarnation, Nrsimha Avatar. Then Krishna is coming in the form of Vishnu Avatar. Then Vishnu, when he looks, the incarnation of his Ram Avatar, his own avatar, Ram Avatar. Then he goes, this 4 hands is not good. Understand? Some problem comes. If you have 4 hands, get difficult to sleep. Lord gives us 2 hands, 2 legs. This is good or not? Understand? People are thinking, if I have 4 hands, 8 hands, then I do more job. Maybe at a time 4 computers I can. People are thinking, but this is not true. Vishnu is thinking, in my 4 hands, Sankha Chakra Gadadhara, and my mood is not also sweet mood, always what mood? Opulence mood, Vishnu. Ram is very sweet, Ram Avatar. And 2 hands, Durbadala Dhanasya, very nice, beautiful complexion. Ram Avatar, he is Kshatriya. He is taking his bow and arrow. He is the king of Ajodhya, Ajodhyapati. This is good. Then Krishna is manifesting the form of Ajodhyadhish Ramachandra. But when Ramachandra, he noticed Dwarkadhish Krishna. Oh, how is beautiful Dwarkadhish Krishna. His own Krishna avatar, own form is looking. Thinking, oh, how is beautiful Dwarkadhish Krishna. In my Ajodhya, only one wife. At Dwarkadhish Krishna, how many? 16,100 wives. Here in Ajodhya, I have only 2 sons, Love and Kush. But in Dwarka, how many sons? 10. Each wife 10 sons and 1 daughter. I have only 2 sons, Love and Kush. And big also palace is there. This thing. Oh, this is very good. Then Krishna, he manifested in the form of that the breed is coming, you know. Krishna manifested all his incarnation when breed is coming. Oh, this is this. Then Dwarkadhish Krishna is coming. Then when Dwarkadhish Krishna, he looks his own origin form, that is Krishna avatar. Oh, how it's big. Basically Krishna has 4 qualifications. Understand? What is that 4 qualifications of Krishna? Rupa Madhurya, Venu Madhurya, Leela Madhurya, Prema Madhurya. These 4 extraordinary personification of Krishna. Then Kartavika Maharaj is Krishna saying, no, no, I have to accept this form. Okay? As like, then Krishna is looking his own form. Which form? That Vrindavan Krishna. Okay? Then he looks his own shadow reflected in the pillar. In the pillar. When he saw his own reflection, that time he could not control himself. Apanar madhurya dekhi, apanare hare. Krishna, he looks his own sweet form, beauty in the reflection of in the pillar. Pillar, understand? Then Krishna completely was thinking, who is this? Palita Palitam. Sila Rupa Goswami also explained these things. When Krishna saw his own reflection, then Krishna is completely bewilderment. If you will never to bewilderment of his own shadow or own reflection, it will. But sometimes you look at yourself when you are going to beauty parlor and looking to your own reflection in the mirror. Oh, I am beautiful. Sometimes it's a joke. One lady, she entered in the beauty parlor with her son, and she very nicely dressed, makeup, everything. Then baby told, Mom, how are you beautiful? Yes, I am beautiful. Then coming in the picnic outside, with her friends, babies. In the mention, big storm and rain came. Then all his makeup completely washed away. Then baby running and then coming. Baby asked, hey, auntie, understand? Where is my mother? Hey, I am your mother. No, now you are witch. You are not my mom. My mom is very beautiful. Arey, no, that time I came from the beauty parlor. For this regard you are thinking that now this is my origin form. Look this thing. Now Krishna's four extraordinary qualities are Venu Madhurya, Lila Madhurya, Prema Madhurya and Rupa Madhurya. Krishna's look is never changed. In this material, all form will be changed. All Rupavat Tat Pradhanna. Vedanta Sutra also says, all Rupavat Tat Pradhanna. Then Krishna's form is eternal and transcendental. And you cannot, what means you cannot compare to others. According to the Sanskrit word, Pat or Rupavat, Krishna's form or Rupa will never compare to others. Our form is always change. Every second our form change. When you to childhood to old age, your form automatically change. If you sit, then your form change or not? Then eyes going down, cheeks going down. Very difficult to find out, recognize you are the same person or not. Understand? When you go to the airport, passport, they look in your passport picture. 5 years or 10 years before you got, then immigration looking, you are the same person or not. Sometimes they are looking. Or when taking the photo also different, origin person also different. So that time they are looking to you. Then they go, okay, now they are thinking, okay, not this good. Now they are taking the finger prints. That cannot change. That is called biometric test. But Krishna is all Rupavat Tat Pradhanna, Vedanta Sutra. All Rupavat. Krishna's form is what? Which is transcendental. These are the things. Or what means compare. You cannot compare Krishna's beautiful form to others. So for this regard, Vedanta again also explains the ekameva advitiyam. He is one without second. If the second person is there, you can be compare. Comparative degree coming when the second person, second thing, second objects, they will compare. Good, better, best. Good, then better means two things you compare. Best, more than two. But it's one, unique. You cannot two compare. It's unique, unparalleled. So Krishna, to say this, Krishna's only unique and unparalleled. Krishna is not guni. Gun, everything is there. So now coming this Vedanta Darshan, or Rupavat Tat Pradhanat. So now Krishna is thinking, how is my beautiful this form? Prabhavada, sweetness of his beauty. But now in the Leela Shakti, again arranged. Krishna is saying, when I see the beauty of Krishna, the beauty of Srimati Radhika, that time I forget my own beauty. कृष्ण का जब मैं राधा जी के सौंदर्य में देखता हूँ, मैं अपने सौंदर्य में भूल जाता हूँ। अर्थात राधा जी के सौंदर्य, the beauty of Srimati Radhika is higher than Krishna. But here Vedanta Darshan is saying, or Bhagavad Pradhanat. So how to reconcile? No one equal to Krishna. Who will be higher than Krishna? Natasya karkarya karanchata vidyate, natasmurcha dikasya disate, parasasati vibhudra svate, sahaviti jnanabala kriyacha. Upanishad also explains. No one equal to Krishna. Who will be higher than Krishna? And Krishna's four qualifications are unique and unparalleled. But now we are saying, the Srimati Radhika's beauty, Satyata Srimati Radhika's all qualities are higher than Krishna. So how to reconcile? Maybe tomorrow we discuss. Jai Jai Sri Ram, Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai Jai Sri Ram, Radhe Radhe Radhe.
Now take this up.